Big trip ahead? The travel-friendly Gear Duffel is the perfect bag for your next adventure. 2 compressible straps that can be used as handles and features grab handles on all sides. Also 2 removable shoulder straps which are fully adjustable with upper and lower load stabilizers. And a special stowing compartment inside the duffel. Simply slide the 2 shoulder straps behind the pocket and you know exactly where they are. Hidden buckle points to protect those buckles in all sorts of terrain, whether outdoors or traveling. And has a durable 600D polyester fabric that's also coated for water repellency. Keep the items you need most close with 2 internal accessory mesh pockets and 1 external pocket. The Klymit Gear Duffel is a 65-liter, go-anywhere gear hauler.